Hi, Chav Weather here with an update video following tornadoes hitting the state of Kentucky, USA on December the 11th, 2021.
There's somebody in there?
A federal emergency was declared after a series of more than 40 tornadoes hit across 9 American states, including Missouri, Arkansas, Tennessee, Kentucky, and Illinois. The most severe impact was in Kentucky, centering on the town of Mayfield, as well as in Bremen, Bowling Green, and Cambridge Shores. The tornadoes were declared the most destructive in the state's history. Buildings were destroyed and families left homeless. Many communities were left without electricity and water, with phone services also down. Salvage operations are ongoing as rescuers search for missing people. Shelters are in place to help affected citizens, while the National Guard are visiting houses to check on residents and help clear debris. The tornado event is particularly unusual as the American tornado season occurs in spring. Tornadoes are uncommon in winter as the cold air limits their formation. Thank you for watching, with special thanks to my Patreon members. Please comment, like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be back with another video soon.